Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming essentials. Vmware tools and a powered off or suspended guest make for safer network changes. Open the VM settings, choose Network Adapter and decide Bridged for host network access, NAT for easy internet behind host, or host only for isolated testing. Once done, pick IP for DHCP if you want automatic addressing, or prepare static details. IP, subnet, gateway, DNS. Make sure the host NIC you target is active. Otherwise, bridging fails, so verify link lights and adapters. Now you configure the adapter itself. Power off the VM if required, then enable the network adapter and choose Bridged, NAT, or Host Only. Select a specific host NIC for reliable bridging. If using NAT, open the virtual network editor and confirm the NAT service is running and that the virtual subnet does not conflict with host routes. Apply changes and boot the VM. Once the guest OS starts, ensure its adapter shows link up. Then request DHCP or assign the static IP you planned earlier for connectivity. Finish by validating inside the guest. Confirm IP, gateway, and DNS, then ping the gateway and a public IP like 8 to isolate DNS issues. If you see no route, make sure VMware services, VMware NAT service, DHCP service, and the host firewall allow virtual networking. Recheck the virtual network editor for overlapping subnets and correct VNet assignments. A key troubleshooting tip: restart VMware services on the host and the VM. Many transient bridging or NAT faults clear after service restarts and a quick host reboot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.